All right, today we are replacing this rear window. I don't know if you call it, it's not really a seal, maybe a dust boot. Not really sure what you call it. But before we had this peeling, the corners were kind of stuck up and peeling, and I peeled the whole thing out. And there's an inner seal down in there. So, but I want to go ahead and replace it. So really not entirely sure how this comes out, but this seems to make the most sense, is to kind of pry up on this here. I guess I'll push. No, it's not stuck in behind here. I don't think I have to go off, but maybe it does. Let's have to see. All right, I'll have quick access to that panel, so we'll switch on from the outside. Knock this off. Let's see if we can knock this off. Let's move quite a bit here. I'm just doing that. Okay. Haha. All right. I have some cleaning to do. All right, so now that that's out, you can see how much movement the glass has. All right, so the new one I've got here, and I'm ready to pop that on. As soon as I let the dog out. What do you want? What do you want? So these ends do tuck kind of in behind here. So my plan is to, once I get it lined up, kind of tuck that one in. Maybe tuck this one. No. All right. So, okay, I got it tucked. The other side's tucked. And that just snaps in. Nice. Make sure nothing's going to come off. Feels good. All right, now before, the window rattled quite a bit. All right, that's fixed. The window doesn't rattle anymore. When I was shutting the hatch before, after peeling that little strip out of the top, it was rattling quite a bit. Awesome. All right, let's put the window up. Fantastic. All right, I'll put a link in the description of the seal that we bought. All right, on to the next project. Thank you for watching.